Hello friends, welcome to my channel. If you are new to this channel then please subscribe, and if you like this video then do share with your family and friends. Today's topic very important for income taxpayer, house rent allowance. Okay, in short we called as HRA. Okay, so first of all let me clear you one thing, that HRA exemption is over and above 1.5 lakh limit of 80C. Okay, and this is very good income tax saver basically. Okay, so basic understanding for HRA, first we talk about this. HRA is the income tax exemption via house rent. Okay, so house rent, if you are living in rent then you are paying the rent. Okay, but if you are living with parents then also you can pay the rent to your parents. Okay, so this is very good thing to save the tax. So you can get the tax saving beyond 80C limit, means above rupees 1.5 lakh bracket. Okay, it helps to save huge income tax. Okay, so now how much you can avail per month? If you are living in Delhi, Mumbai, Calcutta or Chennai, then you can avail 50% of your basic salary per month. Okay, and if you are living in non-metro city then you can avail 40% of your basic salary. Okay, so next we come to correct way of opting house rent allowance. Okay, do online transaction monthly to householder bank account. Do not never pay cash. Okay, you got your salary in your bank account, you just transfer that money simply to your landlord bank account. Okay, make a proper rent agreement between you and your landlord. Okay, renew that rent agreement after every 11 months. Okay, the validity of every house rent agreement is only 11 months. Okay, so next is use householder PAN card number in rent receipt. The rent receipt which you used to fill into your office, you have to put the PAN card number of your landlord into that receipt. Now how you can declare the HRA? You have to submit a rent receipt to your office HRA twice in a year. Okay, so first you have to submit the rent receipt initially of the financial year, and first you can submit in the mid of the financial year. Make the changes in HRA amount as you got the increment. Suppose whenever you got the increment in between the financial year, so your basic salary got changed, so as per the basic salary you have to increase your HRA amount according to that. Okay, cross check the HRA amount every month in your salary slip. You have to cross check that whatever the house rent you have claimed from your office, they have adjusted into your salary slip or not. If they have not, then just go to your HR and just find out the solution, that what was the problem in implementing that particular thing. Okay, now few points you have to avoid for HRA. Never declare any fake house rent receipt. Okay, never pay house rent in cash, and never assume that HRA below 1 lakh per year is safe. Some people have the mentality in their mind that if we do not use the PAN card number of our landlord, and if we just show rent per year below 1 lakh, then we would not get any notification from income tax, or we would not get any notice from income tax, and nothing will harm us. So let me tell you one thing, that can harm to you. Okay, do not do any fake thing into this. Whenever government caught, they will take a heavy means penalty from you. Okay, so never tell a lie to the government. Okay, if you are living with your parents, then make a rent agreement with your either parent whose name the house is there. Okay, and just avail this particular benefit. This is very good benefit, and you would not believe that by implementing this particular thing into your life, your income tax reduced to means you can say half. Okay, if you have any doubt regarding this HRA topic, do let me know in comment section. Hope you like this video. Thank you so much.